Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your boy Top Tech and Investing here, back today with another video. How are y'all doing today? Let me know. Hope your day is going absolutely excellent. But today we're just going to jump right into it. We're talking about Zoom. So Zoom is vastly oversold. You can see it's down 20% from the start of the week. If we look from the highs of the week, it's down more than 20%. Even on the day, it's down 9%. $37. It's crazy. It dipped all the way to 368. I think that Zoom is oversold. So the reason why it's down is because Pfizer came up with the vaccine. They just dropped it on Monday. It was a huge bomb. Zoom just absolutely just got decimated because I feel like this is an overreaction, right? This overreaction is to, okay, now we have a vaccine. Okay, we're done. Khalas, like, we're done. We don't need Zoom anymore. Zoom is going to go bankrupt. GG's, right? But no. The COVID vaccine is going to take months. Even Fauci said it. It's going to take months for it to actually come out and get distributed. They just made that revelation that 90% of the COVID patient that got the vaccines were like actually solid. So it's going to take months to actually produce this in vast quantities to spread out to the nation. So in terms of Zoom's earnings on the November 30th, I think we're solid, right? This isn't revolutionary. It's just gonna get spread in an instant, right? Where we're gonna stop using Zoom right this second. I use Zoom. I use it every single day for my classes. I have a lot of classes, like 6, 7. Our school, I think, is on a membership with Zoom. I mean, Zoom is just so convenient. It's amazing. I see podcasts, some podcasts on Zoom. Zoom is just incredible. It's simple. I think it's superior to its competition, and it's popular, right? Zoom is is more popular. So you can see Pfizer. It popped on that news from last Friday, Monday morning. It popped all the way up to almost $41. I mean, and then it kind of dipped a little after people kind of know, okay, it's not going to be distributed for months. So I think that Zoom is vastly oversold, right? I believe it's going to blow earnings out of the water November 30th, and this is my play for it, all right? This is how I want to play Zoom. So if you go to Zoom options chain, we're going to go to January 15th. No, we're not going to go to January. We're going to go to December 18th. My fault. We're going to go to December 18th. So a few weeks after, more than 2 weeks after the earnings, right? So I want to give us a lot of time on these. So even if they do blow out earnings, we have time for a recovery if you decide to follow me on this. I'm not a financial advisor, but we do have time to recover on these. So if you look at the 510s and the 520s, I'm looking to play these. They have decent volume. So I'm looking to debit spread them because my account, I only have 200 buying power right now, so I don't have just $800 to just bounce on this play. Even though it result in just a lot better gains, but we're just gonna debit spread it. See, we're gonna buy the 510 call. We're gonna sell the 520 call. Jeez, I can't talk. And it comes out to $100, right? With a max gain of $10. So it's a 10 bagger if it ends over 520 by December 18th, but I'm looking more for just the hype. I think a huge pop on earnings day will be massive for us. This 100, if we look where it's at the money, if we sell just right above me and below, it's at 465. So that's a 3 bag. So that's 300%. And I'm fine, right? $365. I'm fine with that. I'd be honestly satisfied with that. So even if we're counting for error and theta with time, either the debit spreads aren't prone to theta. Let's just kind of use for a margin of safety, margin of error, 350, right? That's still a huge gain. That's 150%. So I honestly am fine with that. Yeah, it's only $100. I'm going to buy 2 contracts. If I do reach 100%, I might let the rest ride. But yeah, anyways, this is a quick little play that I'm going to play personally. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. I truly appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see on this channel. What do you want to see on the channel, baby? Like, do you like my content? Let me know down in the comments. Make sure you use my referral link down in the description below. Share it with your dad, your granny, your grandpa, your mama, your 2-year-old brother that is chewing on the fork upstairs. Just let them all sign up. Every single one. Let them all sign up. They all get a free stock, right? Who does not like free money? Anyways, I hope your day goes absolutely fantastic. I'll catch y'all later. And I'm out. Peace.